Hello everyone, it's me Louis Corpus. Today we're gonna go walk from Middle Quarry going to Camp Allen. We are also gonna buy some shrimps. It's me Louis Corpus. But first, let's do something striking training that we can do at home every day. So, jab, real jab, take a jab, overhand. There. You can change, end it differently, like jab, fake jab, jumping knee. Let's go. We are here in Middle Quarry. We're gonna walk again. So let's wear a very trusted low pro bag. You can buy your low pro bag from my featured products. So let's go. Thank you so much for watching. More blessings to all of us. So we are leaving our home here in Middle Quarry. So this is Middle Quarry. So this is again the shortcut from Middle Quarry going to Lower Quarry and then City Camp. This is going to City Camp. So we are already in City Camp. This is City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council. So this is the overpass. We're gonna go there. We're gonna go to the market. This is Baguio City Hall. Look at that classic Filipino jeepneys. So this is Baguio City Hall. This is the park. It's really very nice. Cafe by the Ruins.